Hello and welcome back to the workshop. I'm joined by Jack from Rails of Sheffield, who's here to talk us about some new or imminent arrivals that we can expect in the coming months.
Indeed. As you can see, we've got plenty of goodies here on the layout today, and these are all part of the A4 Black Label range, which is exclusive to us at Rails of Sheffield. Of course, there's the original A4 Black Label release, which was the class A4 462, which we are about to release a new one of, which are due pretty much any time now, essentially within the next couple of weeks. As of recording this video, it's May 2025. And we've also got the hotly anticipated GWR Q13 inspection saloons here as well. So,
a very exciting array of models sitting in front of us. Talk us through the A4s, because it's been a few years now since they were last available.
Yes.
What amendments, or if any, have been made?
So the original A4s, I believe, came out 2016, 2017 sort of time. With this new batch, there's been quite a lot of improvements made to improve the performance of them and also bring some new features out to them as well. So there's been a lot of work under the hood, really, in terms of the DCC sound and smoke systems. So there's been a lot of refinements there. And there's obviously, in terms of bringing them up to sort of 2020s kind of standards, so there's better motors in them, and just a lot of different reliability tweaks there, really. So they are the absolute definitive A4 and the best they can be, really.
Now, the Black Label range is the top end range, if you like, isn't it? So it's a good quality, top quality model coming through. Talk us through some of the highlights with the die-cast metal bodies and chassis.
Yeah, so like you say, the Black Label range is designed to be, it's sort of, you're getting literally every possible feature that you can straight off the bat, so there's nothing you need to actually do to it either. So all of the models come DCC sound equipped. There's no analog version, but they will actually work on analog. So you can use the DCC sound chuff effects and things like that on analog. But yes, as I say, they come pre-fitted with DCC sound. You've got a smoke unit in there. The entire body and the tender are all completely die-cast metal. There are some injection molded plastic pieces, and there's some rubber pieces like for the roof canopy and things like that. But on the whole, the majority of it is completely die-cast. There's working firebox flicker effect in there, which is actually synchronized to the sound effects to be accurate for when it's supposed to be on or not as well. And it's, under the hood, it's everything that you'd expect from a 2020s model, really, with a powerful 5-pole motor in there, a 6-wheel drive, all-wheel pickups, all the sort of stuff that every model really wants.
So the Black Label A4s, they're available exclusively through Rails of Sheffield.
Yes.
How many are you producing in the initial batch?
So in this run, we've got 9 total versions, and that's charting the full history of the A4s from the early LNER Garter Blue days, through silver into BR green and right through to the end of Steam. So there's quite a lot of choice there, no matter what era you're modelling, really. And I think there's a few that are good for preserved era as well.
And so importantly, how much and when are they likely to be in the shop?
So these are due to arrive pretty much any time now, as of May 2025. So hopefully they'll be around end of May, early June sort of time. And these are £399 each. And remember, obviously, that's DCC sound and smoke fitted, and all die cast and everything else. So it all factors into that price point.
That's fantastic. We're looking forward to seeing those very soon. Now, how far behind are the GWR Q13 saloons?
We've had a lot of questions about these, and we're hoping they're due to follow on pretty soon, to be honest with you. So we're still slated for a end of Q2, early Q3 release. So I'm hoping sometime between June and July 2025 for those. And as you can see here, they're looking pretty exciting as well. There's a lot of features we crammed in there, and particularly the interior detailing is something to behold. So,
well, the memories have come flooding back, having been at the railway at the Llangollen back in several years ago when the project was first announced, and looking inside, I mean, it's a miniature marvel.
Yeah. As you can see, you've got etched luggage racks in there. You've got the individual seating with separate small chairs and sofas, tables. You've got toilet and kitchen facilities in there. There's even so much as one of the windows is frosted up rather than just completely blanked out. So there's let a little bit of light in there. But there's era-specific details on there as well in terms of the arrangement of the interiors and things like that, because there was some changes over time. But yeah, that's kind of, it steals the show a bit, really, doesn't it, with the interior?
It does, especially when you can see inside that interior, because obviously under normal circumstances with the roof on, you don't necessarily appreciate quite the level of detail that's inside, but it really is something special. The relief to the curtains, the etched luggage racks and all those elements.
With this being part of the Dapol Black Label range, we really had to go to that nth degree with it, because what's the point of it being part of the Black Label range if it's not going to have that level of attention poured into it? And I suppose when it's an inspection saloon and you've got that much glazing there, you really want something to look at, don't you? So, but obviously the exterior is completely modelled nicely as well. You've got the separately fitted gongs on the ends, wipers, full underframe relief, and as you can see there, you can actually remove the roof quite easily to fit figurines if you wanted to, or something like that. So we are really excited to get these in, and hopefully not too long for them either.
And there are detail differences between each of them as well, aren't there, that are incorporated?
Yes, absolutely.
So once again, these are exclusive to Rails of Sheffield. When are we expecting them, and how much?
These are due pretty imminently as well. We will be getting the A4s in first, and then the inspection saloons are due to arrive shortly after. So I'm hoping sort of end of Q2, start Q3 kind of time, June, July 2025. These are £149.95 each, and we've got 7 different versions, which again chart the sort of full lifespan of the vehicles. Like you said earlier, they've got accurate variations in there, and we've got GWR, BR Blue Grey, Intercity, lots of different eras modelled.
Fantastic. Now, we've mentioned and explained that the Black Label products from Dapol are now exclusively available through Rails of Sheffield. Once we've got the A4s, once we've got the inspection saloons, have you got any further plans?
I think you're going to have to stay tuned to Horby Magazine YouTube channel for another video very soon, but we will have something pretty soon for you, which I think a lot of people are going to be very excited about. So you're going to want to keep an eye out for that one. But yeah, I mean, the Black Label range, as you can see here, it's already fairly well established, and there's a few exciting products about to arrive. But we're always looking for new ideas as well. So keep an eye out for what's next. But there's plenty more to come in the future too.
So that sounds really exciting. We're really looking forward to finding out what those new plans are going forward. But in the meantime, you can read a full review of the Dapol Black Label A4 in the latest issue of Horby Magazine, which will be HM217, the July 2025 dated issue. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.